Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with copying text from your Outlook emails, whether it's for a report, chat, or client message, then this video is going to make your life so much easier. Today, I'll show you how to copy text from an Outlook email step by step, and by the end, you'll be doing it confidently in less than 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Sign in using your registered email and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just click the Forgot Password link and follow the reset steps. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. Next, on the left-hand side, click the Mail icon. This takes you directly to your inbox. Here, all your emails are neatly organized, so it's easy to find the message you need. Now, open the specific email that contains the text you want to copy. Once the email is opened, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to copy. Make sure you highlight only the part you need. This helps avoid copying unwanted sections or links. Once your text is highlighted, right-click and choose Copy from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Super quick and efficient. Now the text is saved to your clipboard. To use it, simply open any app that supports text, maybe Microsoft Word, another email, or even a chat window. Right-click again and select Paste, or use Ctrl+V Windows or Command+V Mac. And just like that, your Outlook text is successfully copied and pasted wherever you need it. And there you go. That's exactly how to copy text from an Outlook email. It's simple, quick, and saves you tons of time while cutting down on typing mistakes. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like to see me cover Outlook shortcuts next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.